Hello, hello, hello. This is Truck Trader from London, 5th of June 2024. Today is Wednesday, and both are in the driving seat. Let's have a look. We got 2 minutes till market opens. That's the liquidity. It's waiting to be taken. The minimum part is here, 28, 29, 30. We can go to 35. If we look on the 15 minutes RTH, this is where we are at the moment. So we do have a lot of stop losses here. You see this flat top RTH. We got this flat top as well here on RTH. I am actually yeah, well, we could push into this. On the moment we push through this, we're gonna go. Why? Because let's look quickly on that then. Why do I see this as a... Let's look at this. Still a little bit around 1 minute. Look at this volume. Once we push through that level, there's nothing that can stop us to go higher. Emptiness and all-time highs are in front of us. We measure this move from bottom to the top. Market just opened. Look at this. We can go up there. So let's see. Let's see. Time and sales, we need to see that. All right. A little bit of pullback. We're opening on a gap, as you can see. So first move is a gap fade. Oh, what a beautiful drop. I'm gonna buy
Order
that.
submitted. Order.
I'm buying this.
Order submitted.
Because that's the place where I'm expecting a little bit of bounce. But maybe wrong. Maybe I just got a little bit too early. Alright, I think I got a bit too early, to be honest. But I'm gonna grab that. I mean, I got it based on that, but the gap close would be somewhere here at 13, so 10 points lower. Not sure if we're gonna get there. Well, let's have a look. This is only minus 300, so it's not a lot of nice pullback. They're buying it, yeah. We had a data today. ADP non-farm payroll employment change, sorry. 152. So that's bullish for the market, bearish for dollar. Let's quickly check how dollar is behaving right now. Yeah, dollar is kind of dropping since that number came, so we are kind of holding this level. So this drop was from 28, 21. There's lots of liquidity waiting up here, up to 30. And I would assume that they will try to attract more shorts. And pull that market up. That's a London buy side. A London sell side is just somewhere here. Sorry, here. That's 8 o'clock London, so that's your London sell side. It's like 25 points up. $320, $318. Let's wait. If you look in 1 hour chart, we just stop in front of that flat top, RTH. Just pulling down a little bit. We should get a push through that at some point. When you think about it, what they have done so far this week, usually we had an open, drop, open, drop. But today, we have open and a drop, so people already know we're supposed to have a drop. And the street will start to short this. We might close this gap. I'm not saying we won't. But I'll be a buyer of that. I'm gonna buy that. The question is, am I gonna buy ES or MES? This is kind of a lower probability environment for me right now. Yeah. Just broke this RTH view up. But it's a bit too early for. Alright, lovely pool. That's like a 62% drop. Fibonacci. Have a look. Optimal trade entries here, 70%. Here we got the order block. But this is all pre-market, so here's the order block basically. This place here. 3 minutes chart. I like to put them a little bit more thicker. We have a gap close here at this blue line, green line, somewhere here. Really. I still have a seller 19. In a pre-market we had 13,000. Cumulative delta was 13,000 on the big boy side, so they've been buying like crazy since London opened. Yeah, the ideal entry for me would be if we can just pull somewhere here into this area. That's say yesterday's close. I mean yesterday's high. Close was somewhere here. I can still see a bit of selling 22.14. Got some trapped shorts here. Liquidity is 17.15, 17 and 15 waiting, and 310. Let's watch that. Don't need to rush with anything. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading this. I'm gonna trade MES. See. Okay, we have some buyers coming in now. 35. Okay. Let's just see what they're gonna do now at this level. Cluster of buyers. We're just watching who is buying, who's selling. I'm focusing on the big numbers, 45. Okay, 25 is waiting. We do have a do have a news. We do have a news. Final services PMI in 1 minute and 8 seconds, 37 seconds. We also have ISM services PMI. So we got another 2 news here. Quite important news. So market is, I like Bookmap because every time news is supposed to happen, you can see how liquidity is just drying out. Nothing here. But someone is trying to use this opportunity to short. 25. Or is this just okay? Look how they're disappearing. They're disappearing. 30 seconds and this liquidity is gone. They just wanted to pull the market higher. Spoofing the market, basically. We got this volume here so far. That's the first thing you got. Oh, I got the news. Got the news. What's the news? Still pending. $54.8, so in line with expectations. Another 15 minutes till ISM services PMI. 310 is waiting. I think we're gonna get down because of the news. Basically a risk-off environment. But that's not a big selling, because since I refreshed from that level, we got plus 17 on the big side, the big boy side. So, okay, now we got a little bit of drop. Immediately bought. They're using this level to buy. They like this 319, 320. You can see how many. Can't even go back down there. It was like a cluster of buyers. Big numbers. Maybe I should limit this 39 instead of watching two. Two, it's okay actually. So I want to see as well who's selling. Okay, so still trend is down so far. 48 on the sell. 22, 48 contracts. 22, so they sold it. All right. Yeah, we could break that low and close this gap. That would be ideal scenario. $13, $12, $13, yeah. Oh, that's like 6 points lower. I'm 3,100 on this account, Spade account. This is my 8th day, so I'm getting closer to payout. Don't wanna do anything stupid. So I'm thinking about, you can flip for 2 days out of 10 days with Apex. You can flip to MESs. Yeah, fuck yeah. That's what we're thinking about. Beautiful buy here. Somebody covered into this drop. Should continue lower, I think. Yeah. Painful to watch. You're thinking about shorting this to the up close, but it's alright. $28, $20, $19. See how they took the liquidity just by one tick. This is why I prefer trading ES than Nasdaq. ES is very precise. This is not a proper stop loss run, to be honest. But just 20 on the buy side.
Order
Alright,
submitted.
that's my
Order
that's
filled.
my trade to the downside. Let's see if it's gonna work. It has to work immediately, otherwise I'm done. Yeah. Maybe. Get somebody saying at 20, 20, 10. Okay. 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes until the news. Well, let's see. We dump it now. $3.15 is waiting. Big box minus 176. Mixed bag of buyers and sellers. Holding a bit too long here. Let's see if we crap it down. I can pull this up first. Alright.
Order
It's not
filled.
falling. I can pull it up. Just weak this up here. Or maybe even up here. And then dump it. They have space till 23, so 23 is here. Four minutes. Pressure is to the downside for sure. Okay, so they have not pushed. They have not pushed yet. I thought they're gonna go and push it. 21, 22. So it's still negative. Got some sellers coming in. Getting close. 2 minutes till till the news. Somebody wants this at 320 on the sell side. Disappeared. A little bit too close. I mean, still have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Go on, just push to 22. I want us to push above these candles, maybe even here, and then dump it. But everything has to happen before 10 o'clock. And it's not happening yet. Got 40 seconds on that. Yeah, now we can just even push up there on the news. So, waiting. Look at that. 20 seconds. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Boom. What was the news? Still don't know the news. Well, look at that drop. Gap is closed, right? Why is the manufacturing 53.8? Why my financial justice not working? What are we doing here? $700. I think we're gonna go higher. Gap is closed. We're watching time and sales. Big boys minus 1,000. That's not good. But I think because the gap is
The US
closed.
dollar extends gains versus the yen after US services data. Last up 0.7% at 156.01.
Where's my
US
MES?
10-year Treasury yields rise. Last at 4.324%.
I want to be long, to be honest. I'm gonna get in long on with my 5 MES. Ah, for fuck's sake. Bit late. Bit late. Let's see if it's gonna come back. 28. Big boys are minus 1,200. Wow.
Noting the Dixie rising, last up 0.1% at 104.25.
We didn't take London Law. Very close to London Law here. $20 is waiting to go on to short this. 320.
And the euro turns flat versus the dollar, last at $1.0874.
We're not going higher. Okay,
Order
let's try.
submitted.
I'm gonna go short here. See if we're gonna push to the bottom now. A lot of people got long here. Let's hold this. I mean, I know it looks fucking bullish, but yeah. Probably not a good idea. Wasn't a good idea, to be honest. Maybe. I mean, the entry is shit. It's really bad, but hopefully we dump it now. Surprise everybody who's long. Let's go down. I said I want to hold this here. Alright, I'm gonna get out here. Try to. Oh, fuck. What's going on? Let's see. I need to get it better. This is what happens when you. This is what happens when you're like really close to get paid. Now you're scared to hold the position. That's what happens. Unfortunately. I mean, that looks. It's a hammer. Yes, it did look like it could push. But I think they can pull everybody lower. So I don't see, like right now, this entry was better. Oh, this view up. Mine was shit. That's why I had to get out. I do want to go long. I do want to go long. This is. But. But I see, 1,492. This is 1,240 on the sell side. Big boys minus 1,000. I'm talking about this and that. That's bearish. Big boys are not buying it. London sell side is here. 7 points lower. Yeah, I was right. Dollar's pushing up like crazy. Look at that. Look what dollar's doing. So sure what to do. Probably wait. That's the best thing. Russell dropping, dollar pushing up. 50. So they still can push up here to 20. $18 is RTH. Dollar still pushing higher. Return is asking. Dollar still pushing. 27.50. It's the open. Technically speaking, we did close that gap. But we do have trapped people here more than here, because whoever was long here probably gave that position. And if we had some longs here, short here, it probably closed that yesterday. And if we had some shorts here, this is where they're trapped. So, yeah, 306. So London low. If the London low be taken, that's better entry for long. Dollar still holding. Look at dollar. Still pushing. It's trying to close this gap. So I'm gonna watch that. That's the question, Are we going to push from here higher? Oh, there is a space to go a bit lower. 310. 36. Alright, so we have first 15 minutes candle. Second 15 minutes candle. Done. We started the third one. So, technically speaking, we could go up there. To take that high. Right. So we closed that gap on 15. There was a fair value gap here. Let's put that fair value gap. We had that here. Well, technically speaking, it wasn't really there, but it's more like something like that, because this body closed below, so I'm not taking consideration this week. I would like this price to get down to London low. Yeah. Somewhere here. I know the London low is even there, but if you look at this liquidity, nothing there. We had a little bit of something, but
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get our weekly EIA data. Crude oil inventories forecast a draw of 2.3 million on the prior draw of 4.156 million, with a range of a build of 1.5 million to a draw of 3.51 million. Distiller inventories forecast a build of 2.17 million on the prior build of 2.544 million. Gasoline inventories forecast a build of 1.7 million on the prior build of 2.022 million. And crude Cushing inventories forecast a draw of 1.766 million. Bear in mind, yesterday's API crude oil stock change came in at a build of 4.052 million. We also get the Bank of Canada press conference with Governor Macklem.
10 more minutes to close this C period. B period. So we could, technically speaking, drop below this low. Maybe even go and grab that completely. Not a lot of liquidity here, as you can see. This was very quick drop. We have a bearish fair value gap here. So we could push up there. Oh, look at that. Immediately sold. 26. 60. Whoa. That was a big sell. 60 was where? Can I catch that? Oh, God. Ooh, big bars. Look at that. That was 100 and something going there. A lot of stuff going on here right now. I think we moved from minus 1,000. Big boys. Minus 1,100. We popped to minus 700. Okay, so we have a little bit of buying. I've seen a 100 and something on the buy side. Could push up here, trying to grab that 15 minutes liquidity. Look at this, 149. Yeah, I need to take these trades. There you go. 1,700 candle. That's a big candle. Too late. $2,000. That's a big number, and we did sell into this 15 minutes now. So okay, NQ is pushing higher. High of the day. Sucking up. You're watching this and you're not getting into that. Okay, dollar is pulling down. I really should trade this MES instead of that, because I would have got it with 5 MES. Yeah, I would have got the.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get our weekly EIA data. Crude oil inventories forecast a draw of 2.3 million on the prior draw of 4.156 million, with a range of a build of 1.5 million to a draw of 3.51 million. Distiller inventories forecast a build of 2.17 million on the prior build of 2.544 million. Gasoline inventories forecast a build of 1.7
We
million.
did take this
on the
15
prior
minutes.
build
I
of
don't like that. I don't like to go
2.022
long
million.
here. It's too
And
far.
crude Cushing inventories
We can still continue, obviously.
prior a draw of 1.766 million. Bear in mind, yesterday's API crude oil stock change came in at a build of 4.052 million. We also get the Bank of Canada press conference with Governor Macklem.
If you look at this is the liquidity. We push above. Now it's the question, are we going to push higher? Well, that's enough to pull it down one more time and grab this low. It's possible. It is possible. I feel more comfortable to trade. Okay, there was some big buyers. Look at that. It's a good place to reject the price. Nasdaq is pulling down as well. It's a big surprise to bulls right now, you know, if this thing pulls down. Takes everybody out. They need to collect these longs from here. They need to collect them. Yes, likes to do that. But not much liquidity down here. That's the problem. This is big number, 2000. 2000 cumulative delta. You got 2 more minutes till the bottom of this hour. $10.30.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with EIA crude oil inventories.
Crude oil in 1 minute. Not that important.
Ten seconds.
It's bullish wherever you got.
Build 1.233 million. Build 1.233 million, higher than the expected draw of 2.3 million. Gasoline inventories.
Not a lot of liquidity up
2.102 million.
here.
Build 2.102 million, higher than the
To be
expected
honest,
build of
it's not leg.
1.7 million. Distiller inventories build 3
They
spot
would
197 million, build 3
invite the
spot
price to go
197 million,
higher.
higher than the expected build of 2 spot
Did
17
we push
million.
through
And
this?
crude Cushing inventories build
No,
0
we
spot
left that.
854 million, build 0 spot 854 million.
Look at that. A lot of selling going on. We might push through this. Alright. One tick.
Do you want
25
to
up
stay
to
up to date with the
27.
latest and deals with the
27 will
leading
be
edge
here.
rules for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Big boys, they bought it from minus 1,000. Nasdaq is just pushing high and high, all-time highs. Okay. It's looking decent. Big candle. We are going for these highs. A London high. A bit of selling, 46. Big boys, okay, they have increased. Reset this here. Let's see if they are selling that or not. I think they're too close not to sell into that 29. We'll see. And that was my moment of like, oh, let's get long. And I didn't get long. I would have closed into this for sure, but that was 4 points. Okay. Opening price. Maybe pull back into this fair value gap and one more time up. It's 18. We'll see. All right. So sold into London high. Nice. Let's see what we're gonna get now. Breakout traders coming in. Yeah. Gap close, buy it, hold it. Yeah. Five MES. That's it. That was the trade of today. This is 2000, right? That's a beautiful number for bulls. We'll be pushing up to 35 probably. What do we see here? Bigger time frame. Yep. Got this stuff here. These are the highs. These are the highs I'm going for. And we have an order block here. Black line here. But I don't know. This is what happens when you're about to get paid. You got 2 days off. 3 days away from getting paid. Don't want to blow up. You don't want to blow up. Actually, not 2, 3. Don't know why this hasn't updated. Today's June 5th. They have not updated. June 4th. Alright. Now is the moment of truth. We're gonna pull. We're gonna continue higher. Just in front of that. A little pullback. No push. I want to buy this at the top. But this is 2,800. Look at that. They're buying it. I'm gonna wait and see. Because we might push for this. Or we might pull first. Then go up. Once they push for this, they're gonna trigger a lot of stop losses here. A lot of stop losses will be triggered once we push for this thing. Immediately we'll go up there to 41. But are they going to do it now? Or they will actually pull the market first down to refill? You see?
Order submitted.
I just dropped my
Order submitted.
short.
Order filled.
Show me my short. Alright. That's it. I think we're just gonna pull now. Surprise. Will be too easy. Again, my entry is not the best, but let's just close this here if we can get it. Okay, 40. Not a good entry. They pulled it. They're holding me. I think we're just gonna go up anyway. It's just this little manipulation that I'm thinking that they might do here. They like to do this manipulation, you know. I don't know. Yeah. Pull this market down now. $42. Where's it? 15 minutes bottom. Yeah. 22. Okay. You could get this to 22 then. I'm gonna close at 23. Pull down. Yeah. It's gonna be difficult to get down there. But I should.
Bank of Canada's Macklem says the path of any future
They
interest
should
rate
get down
cuts
there.
are likely
I'm
to be
not gonna be
gradual.
too greedy. I'm gonna try to grab that. So we have first. I'm not gonna allow this to go against me. Come on.
Order filled.
I'm trading against the trend, so I need to be very quick. Very quick. Okay, 125. So one of the reason for that is just the manipulation they do. You know, they left the buy side liquidity up here. It would be a waste if we just keep going. They want to take these longs out, possibly go and grab that 15 minutes candle low. Possibly. I'm not saying they're going to do it. There is a liquidity on it. Not much liquidity. Liquidity was up here. Here's a lot of trapped people here as well. Trapped shorts. So every time we drop in here, they're going to be getting out.
Bank of Canada's Macklem says we don't need to move lock in step with the US Federal Reserve.
So here I got a gap. If they want to drop, they could drop to grab this liquidity as well.
Protect your
But that
trade
means they
with
have to go
broker
through
access
all the
and
shorts
introduce
who are
Pro.
shorting this thing
Now
here.
only $99 a year
It's not
for
gonna be
our
easy.
real-time service.
It's not going to be easy unless they
Fitch
just...
says we expect China's new home sales value to decline by 15 to 20% to 8.3 trillion Chinese yuan to 8.8 trillion Chinese yuan in 2024.
Alright, I'm going to wait. Got 13 more minutes till top of the hour. Plus, I don't really trade after 4 p.m. London time, so I miss this trade. I mean, let's analyze this. Good read on this one. Short here. I think also more here. That was a good read into these lows. And I was really thinking about going long here, but missed the
Fitch says
opportunities
signs of
basically.
stabilization in China's
Missed the
secondary home
opportunities
market have
for...
diminished, with asking prices maintaining a downward trajectory.
I missed the opportunities for one reason only. And the reason is I am 33,100 something. 163 actually dollars up. And that is my 8th day today. And I'm going to get paid, so I don't want to ruin that thing, because I have done it in the past many times. You can switch with Apex. You can switch.
Bank of Canada's Rogers
okay,
says
so let me talk.
there's a pent-up demand in the
Shut
housing
up.
market.
Bank of Canada. I don't care about Canada. I have blown accounts when I was somewhere here, and I needed another 3-4 days to pass to get paid. I'm not gonna do this time. That's the only reason. What I'm like thinking, no, my friend. We're not gonna do that this time. You're gonna get paid. So I'm 125 up. I'm not saying I'm not gonna take a trade. If I see, but it's gonna be MES trade. I will go 6 contracts on this account. 6 contracts. It's 10:50 right now. Let's see what's gonna happen. I might go short on this thing. Because I don't think they're gonna attack this right now. I don't think it's the time. I mean, if they do, then we're gonna go and we're gonna continue high, and I'm gonna go long. I will definitely go long, because that means that we'll have another half an hour up to 1 hour of trend up. And once we hit this 31, a push will be quite substantial straight away somewhere here. I'm not really counting on this order block. It's just too flat here. Too much liquidity above this level. So I'm not really worried about this order block here. It's a bearish order block, but this is huge. We're just gonna pump it into it. Most likely end at 40. So let's see if we're gonna get a pullback. See if we're gonna get a pullback. Got 8 more minutes. A pullback. It's gonna be tough to go through this thing. A lot of trap people here. A lot of trap people here in this area. A lot of trapped shorts. They're gonna be blessing that move to the downside. I'm praying for this move to the downside. The moment we hit here, look at that. Every time we dropped. People were buying this immediately. Big boys, 1,000 up. We have been here minus 1,000, so already made 2,000 up. They have accumulated position here. I think somewhere here we were 0. Can get a pullback, but you have to buy that pull. I do have that gut feeling that today we're just gonna go long and strong. So we had this data, kind of mixed bag data. 150, 152. That's a good number, but this number is, it's not a good number for market. I'm watching as well. Nvidia is just pumping. It's just pumping, honestly. Look at this. Nvidia is just pumping up. We get a little bit of pullback on Google. Intel here. What's that? Tesla. Yeah, Tesla is no longer a hot stock to trade. Amazon. So it's just basically about Nvidia. Nvidia is pulling market. Nasdaq is going like crazy up. But look at Nasdaq. That's pretty much where we were today. That's what is this? What time do I have here? This is New York. This is London. Let's switch to New York. So we had that pullback and boom on Nasdaq. We had the pullback. We Still kind of sitting in the same place. Trying to squeeze right now. Trying to squeeze right now. Still below, but getting closer. Yeah. This should give us a proper move. 5 more minutes. And I'm definitely not going to trade ES. I might trade MES. Dollar is pumping high. That's a bit. It's a bit. It's a little bit problematic for longs. I do think that they should manipulate this one more time, because they have all day to push this market higher. They don't need to do it right now. I would prefer if they get down here. A little manipulation to the downside, please. 2 more minutes. Let's see what they're gonna do after that. Or they're gonna do it before. Yeah, they can do it before. I don't think they can push through this and turn around. It's impossible. Once we push through this, there will be like an avalanche. Stop losses on the sell side, on the buy side. It will be like a buy side, not avalanche, but like a rocket, straight to the moon. So they know that. Straight to 35. Yeah, straight to 35. All right. Looks like we're pushing. Let's see if we're gonna push. 30 to 35. It's possible. Once we bridge these blue lines, these are, you know, some of the day's highs, RTH highs for Tuesday 20 and Monday. Well, 800 pumping higher. That's the question. How are they gonna play this now? 1000. Mm. What now? Now's the question. So we had this order block. Don't know why this thing does not. Let's see if this order block is gonna do anything. I don't think it will, but they might use it. Somebody waiting at 320. So we did take this buy side liquidity right now. Question is, are we gonna get continuation and just pump it? This candlesticks looks really bullish. I mean, just look at it, volume all over, every single tick. So it got full. It's full of volume. So if they want to make money, either they're playing bigger time frame, they already collected everything on Monday and Tuesday. They don't care if somebody's going to be with them. Or they do care. And they're going to pull this market below that volume into 20. And we can see somebody is waiting here. So somebody has got that idea as well. That would be a lovely trade. I don't see like a big, you know, there's no continuation, there's no momentum, there's no urgency. We went through the stop losses, but we haven't burst through them. There's no like a, you know, 30, 32. It wasn't like a strong push, like a, you know, like a rocket that sometimes you get this kind of thing. Okay, now we are doing it. But look at that. Watch this thing. Watch this 35. Because they're selling in here. And let's watch this now. What's gonna happen? Still holding. 31, 34. And I don't know. Look at that. This is where we are. Still a lot of liquidity to go through. It's a lot. That's the week high. It's not a lot of volume up here on this candle, just there. This 35 is holding. It is holding. This could be you know, like if they want to whack everybody now, just pull it down below this 19 pretty much. Just drop. Collect everything they have here. They will need to go and grab this liquidity. There wasn't a lot of liquidity here. We can just continue higher. And if we do, then I'm finishing this day on 125 up. Still 354 is still buying it. And a kind of drop into this area. You have to expect a buy. So I think we might go to this 40. Uh, hmm. This is long. This is long, but the manipulation can happen. Okay, looks good now for short. I got a little bit of is this manipulation coming right now? Or it's just a pullback to pull everybody up? Yeah, I want to short into this support now. Ooh. Oops. Yeah. That's not a place to short. Even it does look like it's gonna go. But this 35 was holding.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna go short here.
Order filled.
All right. Stop loss is here. Let's see. 5 MES contracts. And I think this it can hold, doesn't mean it will. Also doesn't mean I'm gonna hold this to my stop loss. I want to see this price to fall. That was just a pullback.
Order
It was
filled.
just a pullback. Look at it. I took a loss on this. It's a long, long. Is it? Push to 40.
Order filled.
Let's go along here. Let's see if we can get a nice push to 40. $35.
Order
All right, I'm
filled.
gonna take that. I feel much more comfortable with trading with MES right now. I don't know. This is gonna put this is going up. This is going up. Yeah, decided to go. You can measure this move. It's 20 points from here. It's 44. just approaching the weekly low. Sorry, weekly high. We could get a nice push through that. Breaching weekly for or weekly high. $1,300, 900. Yeah, like I said, it's got this gut feeling that we're gonna continue up and up and up. So 1117 will most likely just continue higher. Tick chart is at 800 right now, so I do not want to. $40.45. We got out, what was it? I trade ES, sorry, MES right now, but I'm watching footprint on ES. Oh, look at it. Yeah, we're getting that nice push. You can get a beautiful push right now. The final squeeze. $45. 4 points here. Let's just wait for a little pullback. Probably not gonna give us any pullback. Yeah. It's just gonna
Order
go.
filled.
It's just gonna go, I think. To this 45. Without any pullbacks. 43. And grab the shorts by the balls. They're not gonna let it go. Right? Not sure now. It's 40s. It's giving a problem. Mm-hmm.
Order
Let's
filled.
try. Oh shit. Where did you get in? 1,400. Ooh. That's not good. Get up. See if we can get a squeeze to this 42. Mm-hmm. I think, well,
Order
get out here
filled.
with -5. It was, yeah, not a percent chasing this thing. But I don't want to short it anyway. I still want to go long. We have 8 more minutes. It's going up. 1,400. 1,000. Seven more minutes. Let's just measure this move from here, let's say, to there. From here to there. Like 48. 31, 28. Yeah, there's a little bit of congestion here. I would like to see a little pullback. To 35. Yeah, I should have traded MES, really. There's no point to trade ES when you're this close. Five more minutes. Might go down here to grab this liquidity. 35, 36. 35 is waiting.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna try to catch that at 34 for, yeah, somewhere here. Maybe 35. If we get a nice pullback. 37. Somebody bought 100. Wow. $36. See if we can get down there. No. 3 more minutes. So they just dropped enough to grab the liquidity. 3 more minutes. And we have buyers. Today is what, Wednesday, right? Nasdaq is just pumping higher. There's no tomorrow. This could be the day. I'm just gonna go higher and higher all day long. Obviously not during the lunch. Lunch will be some kind of manipulation happening there, but 30 more seconds. $1,000. The buyers are there. Didn't get my price. I should push this through 42. $35 is waiting. 30 is waiting. 30 will be quite a big drop. I don't think we're gonna drop down there. We could drop to grab that 15-minute candle, which is 36. Drop to this level here. It was only 36.75. Just half a point drop. It's not a lot. Liquidity up to 45. I would like this to drop. Grab that one more time. Especially this 35 is waiting. Blue line is the high of Tuesday, I think, or Monday, 28th of May. We tapped into that, immediately bought it. Nothing up there. It's pretty much the range, 40, 42, 45 till 35. We could stay in this range now. I'll get a push. $42, $45. I'm definitely not gonna chase this. Made some money today, not a lot, but nevertheless, it's a positive day. Yeah. Squeeze through this high. Merciless long. Merciless long. Squeezing everybody who is short. Yeah. I mean, we do have a 5 points in front of us. With that little drop down here. The 675. Quarter, 3/4 of a point. We grab that. Hmm. Buyers. Hmm. Three-quarters of a point here. Just 1/4 of a point up there. Okay. So they have not taken the stop losses properly here, and they have not taken stop losses above here. Just extended the extended the range by 1 point. Street is pretty long, 5,200.
Order cancelled.
I cancelled the 5 MUs contract on the buy side because we're not going there. Yeah, we're just gonna grind higher. At some point, we're gonna get a nice drop to grab liquidity. Okay, now it's squeezing. Liquidity at 45, 47. Ah. Scandal is looking really good.
Order
I'm gonna get in
submitted.
here. Let's see if we can
Order submitted.
catch something. Into the upside. Can we? Oh no. Problem. There is a problem here. Yeah. Definitely an
Order
issue.
filled.
Took a loss on this thing. $45. Yeah, still gonna push. But yeah, they took that 15 minutes. I don't know why I was buying. I thought we might just get a continuation, but it's a grind. That's what it is. Yeah. A lot of selling going on here. $35 on the sell side. Mm-hmm.
Order
Okay, I'm
filled.
short here. Let's see how far I can drop. Hopefully, we'll drop somewhere to, I don't know. Five. It's definitely due a little bit of pullback. That's for sure. But after they took that 15-minute candle, they have another one here. But they have this bottom here at 30, 38. Yeah, could get down there to 38. Hopefully we'll do that. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Almost there. Just give me one little push down. Ah, almost there, but it's not enough.
Order filled.
Just add here. Let's see if we're gonna get one more little push to the downside. Come on. And going up again. Get out.
Order filled.
Take a loss, 50 quid again. I was 50 up. Didn't take it. Nah, it's just no point really to. The only way is up. Just wait for a little pullback and get long and hold it. So look at it. No, it's just gonna do it. Six more minutes. They could get down there and grab all the liquidity if they wanted. It looks pretty decent on the short side for, look at that. They pushed, they sold into that. We could get a nice pullback from here, to be honest. Market is going down. That's the level too short. Five more minutes. Push, like a final push into this 47. Yeah. Could happen. $45. 3 more minutes.
Order filled.
Alright, let's go long then. My final long today. Let's see if I can get it. Even if we drop a little bit. I will. Sell into this highs basically. 44. 50. One tick below.
Order submitted.
One minute. There's obviously a possibility we can just drop into this 35. To grab everything. And leave that high for later. Eight seconds. Mm-hmm. Let's see if we're gonna push above this 42 first. Okay.
Order filled.
We're falling. Well, let's wait for that pullback. Got 2, 1, and 2 candle.
Order
Okay, I'm
filled.
gonna go long now.
Order filled. Order filled.
6 contracts, MES. Let's see if we can get a push now. We're actually going to push higher. Because they have grabbed 15 minutes and then another 15
Order
minutes something
filled.
ago. 10 contracts on MES. Should get a push into the highs now. And if we don't, then that's over for me today. I mean, I still may wait till we get the bottom, this 36. But I'm not going to be going back and forward here. Come on, squeeze the shorts up. Let's go. Mm. Take the shots up. At least to the 43. I'm trading. It's just not doing much. Takes fucking ages to move the price. Mm. It's just ridiculous. Just ridiculous.
Order filled.
So this is how I turned 125 into minus 111. We didn't take that low. We did not take that low. So that's good. I think we're gonna go now and grab it. 39, 35. They still should. They should grab that. Once we take that liquidity, I'm long. Let's wait for it. Yeah, they need to grab all of that. Collect. This one is like a minimum, really. This 35 is waiting and it's gonna get it. At some point, they're gonna get it. One leg down. Second leg down. Collect all of it after lunch. Pump. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video here. It's gonna be too big. So today, not much going on. Minus 111, plus 50. Take care, guys.